they belongs to our culture. What type of thing that we are doing? We, if we are from the Bihar region, what we use to wear? In a traditional way, we are using the gamchi system on ourselves and the kurta pajama system. We have our UP Bihar region. We have kurta pajama, but only we use kurta pajama in our culture. There, just like culture system, like Durga Puja, at the Diwali, we are not using at regular basis. We are just showing us ki we are we have this type of culture, and on particular 10 days, 2 days, we are using this type of. But they are they are wearing their clothes. They are following their tradition at daily basis. But we are not following. We are facing discrimination that time.
Don't you think representing our culture brutally there will increase the level of discrimination between us, as they are presenting their own culture and we are presenting their own. They are presenting our own. This type of thing will make a buffer zone around the people around there, around the
Okay.
community there.
If you read the Constitution, Article 21, right to life,
It's about the mindset of the people, not about the
mindset not. They are presenting their culture. Why we can't? We also present our culture. We have right to present ourselves present ourselves towards the other person. We have right to speak in our regional language. We have right to study in our regional language. We don't have any problem. But if they are discriminating, we don't have to feel any problem. We have to work on ourselves. We have to work on the tradition. We have to work on the education system that they are showing that we are poor, we are illiterate. We feel shyness. We are discriminated by them. If we don't feel shyness, they don't discriminate us.
Have you please try to wear kurta pajama and put the clip on your forehead and go there to change the narrative of
Yes,
the people
yes,
that
yes. Yes, my professor
Just happy- just
my
happy.
professor Deepak Kumar Chauhan, he is dean. He is dean, and he pursued the dean from 2 or 3 years in our university, and he usually wear kurta pajama, and we have too many pics. We have too many pics from that type of cloth. And in the seminar, they also use the kurta pajama, and their students tell them Guruji. We followed our culture. We don't face any discrimination. You are talking about discrimination. Our culture system don't have any discrimination type. If we see the dogs, dogs have too many varieties. Dogs have too many varieties, and we have named just like German Shepherd, normal dogs, white normal dogs. They are with too many varieties. है. So we are saying that they have too many castes. Not they are evolution. That type of evolution they have. So they are named as the varieties and the evolution they occurred. And in the culture, our tradition, we see that what they do, they are telling by that caste. Okay, but this type of thing is very incorrect. But in the past times, we usually see that if a person who works on the iron, they are called as rohar. They those who work on the woods, they are called as woodcutter. So many things in our language. So that type of work they do, we have that name, and we are telling that it is caste. But my college system, I think I am forgetting the name who has given this type of caste system. From before we don't have any caste system. We have 4 words: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. We have only 4 systems in which they have divided the Shudra system into too many varieties: scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. Okay, so We have only four government, but after the system which was divided by the Macaulay and education system, Macaulay education system, we have divided into 6,000 castes before the independence. So we are not saying that we have that so much, but I am working on it to improve our English. And if you think that you are a frequent speaker, then in the night, if you see the dreams in night, if they comes in English language, then you are a frequent speaker. If you are not that type of dream that are coming in the nightmares in English, you are not a frequent speaker. You have to work so hard for the frequency level, because we are seeing the nightmares in the night in Hindi. We understand it in the Hindi, but not in the English. If we read the terminology in English, we prefer to read the books that are in the English language. If you are passionate to learn books, if you have a passion to read the stories in Hindi language, change the system, change it into the English. You have to work on it before you are reading 20 pages, but after shifting it into English, you face problem. First day you read the 5 pages, second day you work on the sixth page. Slow work is very necessary for growing up, and understanding the system of our government too, our economy. Our economy understands we are developing slowly, but consistency is needed.